Speakers have many styles. Some are humorous speakers. Some are definitely lecture style. And yet some are emotional speakers. Have you ever seen a speaker who is emotional and they cry? How does it make you feel? Does it make you feel uncomfortable or compassionate? What happens in that process? I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. I used to be one of those speakers. I would cry every single time I would speak when it was a speech that was profound and hit home. And I discovered that the reason why I cried so much, especially in the beginning of my career, it's because I had not learned to walk through the crevices, those dark spaces. It is necessary to walk through those spaces. When I used to write my speech and I would get through those parts that were dark, I used to tell to myself, no, I better not include that because the audience wouldn't like it. And then I thought, am I being true to myself and to my audience? Should they believe me if they don't know that I've been through some stuff, that I've been through where they've walked? And then I would leave it in. But you have to walk through it. And the way you walk through it is by practice. You practice and practice and you cry, and you practice and you cry, and you practice and you cry until you don't cry no more. When you don't cry anymore, but you still feel the emotion of that moment, you've gone through the crevice and into the light. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. And remember, build your arsenal, break the barriers, step down and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you were meant to be. Until next time.